Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you step by step how to copy your Instagram profile QR code. This is very easy. Let's jump right in. Before starting this video, please subscribe my channel. First of all, you have to open Instagram and you have to click on top right bottom your profile icon. You have to click on right bottom your profile icon. After that you have to click on this share your profile. Here you have to click on this share your profile. Now here you can see this is my profile QR code. You can also download this by clicking on this download button. You can also copy this your QR code link. You can also share with your social media platforms or your friends. You can also change this QR code background by clicking on this emoji icon. You can here you have to add your face. In this way you can copy and share your Instagram profile. In this way you can share your Instagram profile QR code. You can also click to download this QR code in your mobile phone gallery. You have to click on this download button. After that you have to click on this save image. In this way you can download this your profile QR code from Instagram. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel. See you in the next video.